Hey there everyone, I'm Jack at Sioux Dent Repair. So I just did a live video and was using a external mic and it crackled the whole time. So I have to record this, or re-record this. Anyways, so what we were talking about in the last video was how do we gain access to dents that are in areas where it's braced, and kind of how do we work on a door ding, for instance. So we're going to go ahead and flip the camera on here and show you here. So basically we've got a 2016 Subaru. We actually talked about this vehicle last week about some pre-scanning, computer diagnostic scanning. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, feel free to go ahead and check out that video here. So we're going to kind of show you how we gain access to the top parts of the doors here. So this vehicle actually was involved in a recent hailstorm. So we're going to actually open the door up here and show you. So we actually have the glass assembly, the door panel assembly, and the trim and everything off of this vehicle. What that allows us to do is gain access to all these holes in the top of the door frame. So we can actually gain access to push quite a bit of these dents out. It's not going to give us full access to everything as much as we'd like, just because that's just the normal construction of a car. So like, for example, up in this area here where the bracing is really tight and where it's glued and stuff, you can snake a tool up in there somewhat, but a lot of times we end up having to just glue pull those dents out. So how we go about doing that is, I'll show you here in a minute after I get this light turned on. We're actually going to take, we've got multiple tools here. So this is our Limident glue gun, and it's powered by a DeWalt battery. They actually make these so that they will accept Makita and Milwaukee batteries as well. And then what we basically do is we choose a glue tab here. So like this one here is one of the Dead Center from Kiko glue tabs, as well as we've got multiple other manufacturers here. Black Plague's another really good one for us. And then this is another one from Black Plague PDR. They were kind of the innovators, or the ones that really brought the smooth series tab. See how that tab is really, really smooth on its face? So a lot of people, think, oh, okay. I mean, it's common knowledge or common thought to actually want to gain glue tabs with, I don't even have any of the general. They used to make them like textured like a golf ball. Well, they started making them smooth like this, and it kind of took off and became the new thing. So basically what we do here is we take hot metal glue with our glue gun. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Put a little bit of glue on there like that, and then we'll glue it to the panel like so. And then from there on, we actually use a mini lifter. That's what this tool's called. We actually install it on the dent just like this, and then we pull. You want to squeeze the two black handles here together. That pulls on the dent. So that popping noise that you heard, that's not the dent popping out or anything like that. What that actually is just the glue releasing from the tab here. So then in order to get the glue back off of here, we're actually going to go ahead and spray this with some isopropyl alcohol. That allows us to pull that glue right off, no problem. And then we just wipe it with a microfiber towel. And that's how we're able to get these dents out and stuff. Even though we do have access to the backside, like I said, a lot of times we still have to do glue pulling. So like, for instance, on the roof rail here, this upper section of the door, upper section of the roof area, we actually only can glue pull it. So, hey, what's up, Ricky? So we can actually only glue pull this area, so there's no access with any type of tools. There's no holes or anything like that in order to pull the damage out of this area. So like another one here, like for instance on this fender here, we're actually going to go through the fender liner. So this was already pulled loose for us, or I did this, and that allows us to get a tool all up in here to push these dents out. And any dents that we need pulled out from the top, we actually remove basically this engine cover here, this fender cover, so it looks just like this. This side I already have pulled off and whatnot. And that allows us to have access to all these big holes that go up and in under here and then all along here. So this allows us to have access to push basically on this entire fender. So it's very minimal amount of work just to pull those couple of clips out and get this out, but it saves us quite a bit of time on not having to work and only use glue pulling or go up through just the inner fender part. So anyways, that kind of hopefully that gives you a little bit of information here on how we gain access to these dents and dinged areas. This car was actually involved in a recent hailstorm here So we're going to go ahead and get all the hail dents taken out of this here. We've already started on it, but we're going to continue to work on it today. If you've got any questions about any type of access points or anything at all about vehicles, feel free to leave them in the comments. That way we know, what do people want to hear? What do they want to learn about the paintless dent repair method? So and that helps us, inform you and, whatnot. So anyways, if you need anything from us, our phone number here is 605-595-4061. We'd be happy to get you fixed up with your dent repair needs. And my name's Jack. Thanks for watching.